Hi sis, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's still your girl Ijoma Florence. For all my subscribers, I heart you guys so much. Thank you so much for your love and for your support. So guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to make this Afro Ponytail drawstring from scratch to finish. Okay, that's what we are going to learn today. So sis, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the red button. Become part of the family. Okay, support your girl. Let's grow this channel together. Always share my video with family and friends. Like, comment. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. The materials that we are going to use, number one is a ponytail cap, number two is a wig comb, number three is a thread, the fourth one is a needle, the fifth one is the pin that we are going to use to hold down the nets, and the last one is the hair that we are going to work with. Okay, yes sweetheart, to start off the work, the first thing we need to pick up is our ponytail nets, then our wig comb and needle and our thread. Make sure that the wig comb, you put it right inside the net, not outside, inside the net at the very edge of the net. Then you sew it down using your needle and your thread. You start from one end, then you sew down to the other end, as you can see me doing in this video. I started from one end, then I'm sewing down to the other end. That's how you should do your own while doing it. You sew from one end to the other end. I'm done with this side. Then let me show you something. If you are sewing this this wig comb, make sure that both of them face each other for easy use. Okay, the upper one and the down side must face each other for easy use. After sewing, the next thing you should do is to make a knot like 2 to 3 times. Like me here, I tied my own 3 times before I now cut off the excess thread. Okay, see, enjoy. So sweetheart, after sewing the wig comb to the next thing you need to do is to use your pin to hold down the net onto the manicure head. After that's when you now start to sew the ponytail. Okay, just keep on watching, you understand what I mean. So sweetheart, here is the extension that we are going to work with. Funky color 1 is an expression product, a synthetic hair anyway, is 3 in 1. So all you have to do is to press it down onto the net that you're going to work with. Then you use your needle and thread to sew it onto the net. The sewing pattern here is round sewing. You have to be sewing it right round, as you can see me doing. It's not hard to make. All you need to do is to pass your needle through the hair, then through the working net, then you bring your needle through the opposite side, but maintain round sewing, as you can see me doing from the video. This video is beginners friendly, and if someone that doesn't know how to make hair can watch the video and make this ponytail hair. Okay, it's very simple. Remember I say that this hair is 3 in 1. When you are done sewing this first one, you add the second one, then the third one. But all you have to do, make sure that you maintain round sewing. At this junction, I'll allow you guys to watch this video because it's self-explanatory. Okay, watch it yourself. enjoy the video.
Look around us now, see the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show. Glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today, in our heart may it stay. Unfailing love. Though sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear. Giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will remain, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today, in our heart may it stay. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need.
So sis, after sewing down the hair, the next thing you need to do is to detangle it using your comb. Use any comb you have at home available. Use it to comb the hair. After that, make use of your scissors to trim to your taste. If you want it bigger, you trim small. If you want it to be smaller, you trim bigger, okay? I'm trimming it now to my own taste. So trim to your own taste. You want the way you want it to appear. That's how you are going to trim it. Okay. So after trimming, I now make use of my detangling spray to detangle the hair. I apply the detangling spray to detangle the hair, and the next product I used was my styling mousse. I apply a little styling mousse to the hair, and after that styling mousse, I'm going to apply some oil to make the hair shine, okay? And that's all. And sis, this is how the work should look like after trimming. Look at it. Look at it. It's very beautiful. I really love the outcome. Look at it. Hope you like it. Yes, sis, we are done. Okay, I'm not trying to put it on my head. I'm taking my time to make sure that the wig comb enter properly on my hair. That's what I'm doing now. Then after fixing the wig comb, the next thing you should do is to use the string, tie it right around your hair so that it will hold the hair, make it to be firm. That's what I'm doing right now, sis. As you can see from the video, I'm tying the string right around the hair. After tying it, you will notice that the hair will become strong. If you like, jump up 20 times, 100 times, it's still firm, it's not gonna fall off. Okay, I'm loving the outcome. I'm loving the outcome. I'm loving the outcome. I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the outcome. Sis, are you gonna try it? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, please, if or you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the red button, subscribe to my channel. Okay, share the video with family and friends, like, comment. Remember, I still have a long way to go. For this channel to be recognized, you have to help me out. I have to hit 1,000 subscribers. So we still have a long way to go. And there is no way I can hit that 1K subscribers without the help of you guys. So always love my video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, share with family and friends. Okay? Love you guys from my heart. Until my next video. Bye bye.